Thank you so much for joining me here at the Zeta Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Lab. This lab was originally created for you, our customer, to help you truly understand how our artificial intelligence and data come together in a way that allows you to manage your marketing at a 50% lower cost than you can manage without us. It's a powerful statement, but what we found is a lot of people say, how do you do that? The lab was specifically created to show you how our artificial intelligence seamlessly interacts with our data. When John and I founded the company many years ago, our real vision was to put everything that a marketer needed in one platform. People say to me all the time, are you a CRM company? Are you a programmatic company? Are you a CTV company? Are you an email company? Are you a data company, an artificial intelligence company? The answer is yes. We've put all of those things into the Zeta marketing platform, so one partner can give you everything you need as you think about managing your marketing for your company.
Welcome. The first thing that we do at Zeta is tie everything back to real individuals. These are people with first names and last names and addresses and households. Once we understand an individual and their identifiers, both online and offline, we can connect them to intent signals that come from our data cloud. As we walk in and through the data cloud, we realize that every piece of data we talk about is connected to this individual, and we'll go from synthesizing the interests they have all the way to activating a marketing curriculum that helps you to either acquire, retain, or grow that individual. The AI and Data Lab is a physical manifestation of what's happening inside all the computers we work on all day. It's a chance for us to take the identity and data and kind of turn it into clay so we can mold it into what your business needs to drive the best business outcomes. We'll show you real life examples of how you can change your marketing curriculum to respond to your users' latent needs in addition to their explicit needs to create better experiences. And then we'll talk about the future of your business, where you're going. We've spent an exorbitant amount of time providing tooling around this machine learning infrastructure to ensure that it's easy to onboard and it's always on. As we look at the data through machine learning, we're able to explode the dimensions of how consumers see your business. A lot of businesses have a taxonomy in which they understand their products or their users. They've got ideas on the segments that are most engaged. What we find is as we dimensionalize your brand, and we look at it through the lens of behavior, we're able to find new opportunities to engage. So as we push consumer engagement through new taxonomies, we find bespoke segments. These segments can't be found anywhere else. They're a byproduct of Zeta's data cloud and our identity graph. In a moment, Neej is going to walk you through how those identities precipitate out of the data cloud, as well as how we can explore new opportunities based on what we've discussed today. Last, we're going to talk about curriculum born from those opportunities to go acquire, grow, and retain your users.
Today we're going to take a look at a fictitious customer, XMobile, a US-based telecom company. The first step in unlocking value for XMobile is to onboard their data and help them by enriching their data asset with the Zeta data asset. Again, our data asset has more than 225 million Americans that we see every single month. When we onboard their data, we match the data sets together, and then we actually start to enrich the matched data. This helps them with programs around acquisition, retention, and growth. In the case of XMobile, you can see that we've matched to 82%. 7.4 million of their customers were also found in our data cloud. The next step is to really start enriching the understanding of those customers and to actually start identifying audience segments that would be of interest to XMobile. In this case, we're looking at folks that are interested in new wireless services, people that have XMobile and YMobile, a competitor in their household, new movers, which is a great leading indicator for picking up a new cell phone provider, and people that are interested in adding a line. We've identified all of these segments and we can help them create specific marketing programs to really take advantage of these opportunities. Here you can see some of the customer counts, and even all the way down to 148,000 people last week were researching XMobile online. We've also found 9.4 million prospects within our universe that are looking for cellular services. This is a great opportunity for XMobile to actually acquire new customers. The last step here is to really put those audiences to work and identify the marketing curriculum that's going to make the most impact for XMobile. Again, these campaigns can be around acquisition, getting new customers, growing customer value, or retaining your customers and keeping them within your ecosystem. So Zeta AI comes to life through our platform, and the front door to our platform is a module called the Opportunity Explorer. The Opportunity Explorer presents opportunities across market, competitors, prospects, and customers to a brand like XMobile through one single console. And it starts with our data and is made even better when they onboard their data into the environment. One such example is showing XMobile exactly how their customers index for other telecom companies. It tells them exactly what the retention opportunity is and what the conquesting opportunity is. And you can see here, XMobile actually shares 26.6 million customers in the household with competitor 3. This would be a great target to go after and conquest directly back into their brand. Another such example is to try to focus on which geographies XMobile should actually be investing in. So through our AI, XMobile can realize which markets are ripe for growth and which ones they should actually be reducing their investment in. And with a single click, they can activate against these audiences from the platform.
Zeta's modern marketing cloud was built from the ground up on sophisticated technologies. It's horizontally scalable, and modules can be turned on or off, making it a true SaaS platform. It processes billions of events per day in real time, and in turn powers billions of personalized experiences for consumers around the globe. Unlike our competitors, Zeta has made the investment of both time and money to completely integrate everything from identity and data to insights, activation, and attribution. We've built this platform from the ground up. The typical enterprise has close to 20 technologies in their marketing stack. The Zeta marketing platform can replace all of them, but we've designed it to fit into their existing ecosystem and integrate with existing technologies. This makes Zeta an unrivaled partner in the marketplace. Let's break down the layers to discuss how Zeta's modular design can be easily configured to solve our customers' biggest challenges. The foundation of the Zeta marketing platform is our identity and data layer. Zeta's proprietary data cloud is collecting billions of signals every day that can be used to enrich user records, their interests, and their identifiers, to understand consumers both inside and outside the four walls of a brand's purview. Data starts with onboarding, and Zeta has a unique, flexible, schemaless data system that makes integration of a wide variety of data and changes or updates to that data fast and seamless. Our proprietary data bridges known and unknown contexts, holistically bound with identity. This enables our unparalleled view of customers and prospects in one place, tightly coupled with the tools to engage and measure across all channels. All of this is tightly aligned with the activation and measurement layers in the platform. Zeta's identity graph is unique in that it works across a wide variety of identity spaces. It's extensible, it isn't cookie-based in its operation, and it ensures future compatibility as new identity spaces emerge from partners in the ecosystem. Data and identity through the lens of AI has created an unprecedented insight solution. The Opportunity Explorer is a window into the data cloud. It's able to call out customer, prospect, market, and competitor insights so that marketers can take action with the click of a button. Zeta's homegrown taxonomy and intent scoring means marketers are finding unique insights in audiences to activate. This equates to unique opportunities to grow. Experience Builder connects every individual to a channel. It's done through the identifier for that channel, and it has built-in convenience for optimization, next best action, or adding incremental lift analysis. While most orchestration solutions can't be augmented when they're live, Zeta's Experience Builder can be paused anytime to add new channels, new tests, new optimizations based off of real-time learnings, and it's done without impacting that experience. That means that our users are in an environment where they can constantly be learning, adapting, and optimizing without any downside. Measurement is the byproduct of a tightly integrated marketing stack. Zeta's unique ability to build from a foundation of identity means that we're able to derive attribution that's truly people-based, rather than just limited to last touch or constrained to insights from a channel. I'm going to now show you how those opportunities come to life through experiences. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find all the people that have raised their hand for Y Mobile across Zeta's entire network. Once I have those people, I'm going to split them into three groups. On the left, you see people known to the customer. So they're known to XMobile already. In the middle, you see people known to Zeta. They're people that we have permission to market to. We can access them in our proprietary email or display. And on the right, you see unknown users. For the unknown users, it's easy. We haven't seen them before. We'll probably connect them to another identifier later, but for now, they're showing up as new. I'm just going to do a simple retargeting campaign in Facebook or Google. Here, we'll choose Google. In the middle, where they're known as Zeta, we've got lots of options. For sake of this conversation, I'm going to enter them into a flow for Zeta, email, display, and CTV. And I'm going to optimize between those three channels, and I'll just optimize for visiting the website for now. And on the left, you see people known to XMobile. These are people I'm simply going to email. We already have an email address for them inside of XMobile's account. It makes it very simple. While I chose email here, you can see from this list that really it could be any channel, could be TikTok or Instagram or any other place where we can match their identity into the identifier set that channel needs. So I'm going to let this run, and this will be a simple experience to get started. Most of our customers will go through and start testing new channels and new strategies, and that's something we want to work with them to do. Now, I'm going to jump into Attribution Insights. In Attribution Insights, you get a complete omni-channel view of how your customers are converting and where they're coming from. In this example, we have programmatic video, display, and we've got email. It shows the intersection of those people that were contacted both by display and email. It also shows the top sources and the primary journeys that led them to conversion. All of this can be used for insights the next time they set up an experience. And this virtuous pump creates a very effective way for us to optimize conversion funnels, for us to optimize all of their main marketing tactics. I've gone through a lot today. I'm really excited to learn more about your brand and how we can work together to uncover new opportunities. Thanks for coming in.